This video is born from a concept that can change the way you play forever. If you truly want to make a real leap in your level, don't rely only on what you see on screen. Read the video description. There you have the map, the tools, and the resources used by those who actually improve. Read it, apply it, and start transforming your chess today.